Ki kubor ki bebnya. Ka Seng BJP na Meghalaya kala kreat ban Ïalam Kynhun ban New Delhi. Ban Ïakynduh ya Myntri ke Tnad Puthi ke Sarkar Pedeng, Udhamendra Pradhan, ban Pren jong ka North Eastern Hill University. Haba pentiknai kani unong tauan jong ka BJP na Meghalaya bod Myntri ke Kynhun Myntri uba hek la pentip. Bo unsalet cha Delhi ka art pesau trek mentau benai komsi benta jong ka Kynhun jong ka Seng BJP ke jela. Hakajuk kapor unong aiktian ka Seng BJP uba kakrang ulaong ba kani ka jinglet ka penpau ka jingdon kam ka bakirke na ka benta ban weng ya ki jing bat banwat ki lat ki lenti ban penbet ya baro ki kenrum kenram ki bede ki samla Pule jong ka nehu.
I've already asked the office of the Honorable Education Minister. So they have assured me from the office that he will be available on those days. So definitely if they give me a time on the 24th, well and good. If not 25th, 26th also, I am there in Delhi to brief for the Nehu issue. And also at the same time, I have already told our Pravari also.
Delhi has always, whatever appointments they have given all, and to various maybe public sector undertakings or whatever, they always look at the first thing is that efficiency of the person and all. And if this is happening in Nehu, then it's not a good sign. But definitely the government will definitely take action and ensure that Nehu comes back to what it was in the earlier.